So we have created this project, which is a vision, which is a one-stop solution for all the specially able people in one application. Let's log in and we'll get to the demo. So we have multiple features for all the specially able people. For example, if the person have a visual disability, then he can use a scene description model, which let's get to demo, which can describe any scene in real time as well as in scan mode. In the scan mode, it can just scan the ground and then tell
The
the
image
image
shows an urban
in
landscape with a view of a road lined with trees and some empty lots. There are two motorcycles parked on a paved area in the foreground.
yes, so it is very accurate. As well as we can the user can ask for location, people,
The
text,
image
or
shows an
if
open
any
area.
hazard they are present in the image. For example, if we say on hazards,
From the image provided, here are potential hazards and
it says
obstacles
that
for a visually impaired person. 1. Uneven surfaces asterisk. The ground appears to have patches of dirt and concrete which might be uneven.
also we have a feature called talk, where the user can talk with the scene and ask about the question like how many trees are here. So it can use reply in there only. Second feature is a real-time captioning. Suppose the user has a hearing disability, then he can use a real-time captioning feature. So basically, if there are my friends which are talking with me and I don't have the capability to hear, then I can just visualize and see them text in text. For example, let's say, do you want some noodles? No, I think I'll eat idli. Will give replies in real time as well as with the image generation. So it will be beneficial for the hearing impaired user for visualizing the conversation. Our next feature is uh, for the mute person, which can help them give their voice with a simplified manner, where there are quick phrases and they can type the message. For example, if they need food, they'll just say,
I need food.
and they can also select the language from here and adjust the speech setting. Also, we have a recent greetings and basic responses preset so they can pick responses. Our next feature is a mental health solution for students which are depressed and are in trouble. So what this feature will do is provide real time consultancy to the student. For example, hello, hello.
Hello there. How are you feeling today?
I am at a hackathon online, so I'm very sad so that I'll not win.
It sounds like you're really excited about the hackathon. It's great to.
So as you can see, it gives replies in real time as well as in any language. And also we have included a VAD, which is voice auto detection, which can allow us to interrupt the model. So our next feature is a learning resources, which provides learning resources for the students suffering from the dyslexia, which is a common disease in the student. So it will have a collection of resources tailored to their, for example, visual learning and all the motivation things sorted. And they can play from here. This also include videos from AR, VR, and they can add their notes in this app. Also, our next feature is a volunteer network, which is for all our physically disabled people. Where whenever they need any help, they can just go into and create a help request. So they'll request their title and type of assistant. For example, if they're going to exam, then they'll reading and interpretation requirements patient, and then they will just submit the request, and it will
Your
be
help
sent.
request has been submitted.
Correct.
You
And
will be notified when a volunteer accepts.
they can also send a voice request, which will make them easier for typing, and then it will go to a volunteer website where any person can volunteer for them their helping, and whenever accepted, they can see here and basically get the required help. Also, we are creating a community feature where all the disabled people can form a community and get together for this.
site. As you can see, this is the main page where we explain how the volunteering website flow works. Now, if you're already a volunteer, you can directly sign in, as I currently am. If you're not, then you can register. This is the dashboard of the volunteer. He can check which currently requests are available. He can view the details that are necessary, and he can accept the request. Whenever a request is accepted, it is immediately removed from the page. There is also a notification-based system that works, and we also have various kind of assignments and average ratings that are assigned to each and every volunteer that is present here. And we also have volunteer stories that are visible to everybody, that helps others motivate and be more helpful to and more motivated to help others. Thank you.